Guys, if you like camping like my family, you're gonna travel and use this GASLAND heater for water. Okay, let me show you how it works. It's gonna heat up the water with gas. You can switch the temperature with this button and water heater. This is battery block. It's very easy to install. I'm just using one hand. This is output for your shower, and look, it has so many different type could work. I like the design of this. So this is 5 feet gas regulator. It's pretty long, so you can put your gas balloon here or there. This is also 5 feet shower kit. You just need a water pump. So your water, this is input for water. And you need a water hose kit and pipe strainer. Also, you can install it on the camping or at your house. It goes with water filter here in this input, so you can be sure your water will be clean.